Garlic is delicious in food, isn't it? But if you want to get the full antibiotic effects, you will want to take your garlic raw. When garlic is cut or crushed and the inside of the clove is exposed to air for about 10 minutes, it produces compounds that are antibacterial, antifungal, and may help fight cancer. One raw garlic clove has been compared in strength to 1 dose of prescription antibiotic. Take a crushed clove of garlic twice a day for 7 to 10 days to help your body get rid of intestinal infections, including intestinal worms, colds, flu, pneumonia, and bronchitis. It is helpful to decrease sinus congestion and excess mucus that can accompany respiratory infections. It has also been shown to be useful in treating ringworm, a fungal infection. Too much garlic can cause indigestion. It can also interact with blood thinners such as warfarin and increase your risk of bleeding, so do not take large doses of garlic if you are on blood thinners. Garlic is easy to grow in a pot or in your garden. It is planted in the late fall and harvested in early to late summer. Garlic stores very well if kept in the whole bulb. Keep it in a cool, dark, and dry place.